Guys, welcome to Get New Software Solution. Today I will tell you how to get money by using mobile app. First of all, go to Play Store, search for Cash Karo. Here you can see I already installed this app in my mobile. Now open this app. This is the Cash Karo app and go to login. And if you have a account, go through this page. And if you don't have an account, go to join free. And this is the process to fill your details to register your account in Cashcaro app. And I already have an account in Cashcaro. Then go to sign in. I go to Google and click on my mail ID and give my password. And see, after sign in with mail, now see what will be happen and how to use Cashcore app after sign in. Now see, now this is the page of Cashcore and these are the categories to you, and this is the most popular cashback deals. Amazon website gives up to 5% rewards to you, and Tata Click up to 7.5 cashback. uh, you have to check for cashback, not for rewards. And Myntra website gives you up to 8% cashback. The cashback depends on your product, what you shopping on Myntra app. And see here, the OnePlus gives 1.5% cashback. And if you want any online courses like related to education, the websites is also there. The Byju's, Udemy, Upgrade, Leaps, Edureka, all these websites gives you more cashback to you. The Byju's gives 10%, Udemy 10%, and Grad 12%, Upgrade 7%. These are the cashbacks. And go to highest cashback stores, and these are the highest cashbacks in this week. And go to A to Z. You have to check like this, which website gives me more cashback, and go through that website. And if you want top product deals, and go to that option, deal of the day. Want to check this day which offers will given by some other websites or Cash Karo. The brand Micromax is 10,000. This is the pages. If you want this InFocus phone and click and buy that product, it will be the cashback will be automatically added to your Cash Karo account. And first of all, you have to know some basics about Cash Karo. Cash Karo collaborated with Flipkart, Amazon, Snapdeal, Myntra, or some other more 1500 plus accounts. It will be collaborated with more than 1500 plus websites. And if you want to go the profile, this is the profile. This is the payment section. This is the I don't buy any product from Cash Karo. That's why my cashback earning is 0. This is the process. Here now my earnings also 0. All you know, the payment section is also there. It will shows like that your cashback also there. And if you got any rewards by using through online, it gives you some rewards to you. All are appears in your profile. If you want any refers or any, if you refer someone to download this app, you get some amount from Cash Karo. And if you got any mistake from any website, if you got any issue from any website, go the 24/7 call services by Cash Karo. And the mobiles also there. It's like already you know. This is the process to earn amount by using online. It's like a affiliated marketing. This is the process to earn. And first of all, come to topic how to added amount to our account. I want to buy something, some educational course in Udemy. Go to Udemy website. Here you can see the cash car Udemy flat 10% cashback is activated now. Whenever you want, you have to click on that website link that will be activated within few or fraction of seconds. Here you can see the notification, your click is recorded. Shop normally at Udemy, and these are the Udemy website. Now we are in Udemy website. These are the online course what the Udemy recommended to you. Already I have some courses in Udemy, and this is the courses provided by Udemy. And I want to this course GitHub web developer job. I want to buy this course. This is the 2 days left at this price. It will be 420 rupees, 97% offer. Because now we are in Corona crisis, that way all educational platforms provided courses in cheaper prices. If you want buy now, here this is the checkouts. If you want PayPal or pay through app or credit or debit card or pay with net banking, all are okay to the Udemy. If you pay to Udemy after buying the courses in this website, it will be this record is automatically added to Cashkaro. The Cashkaro gives you some cash back to you. It's up to 5 to 10% or more than 10%. Depends on the product, depends on what you buy in the website. That's the process to earn money from these by using these apps. This is the very useful to regular shoppings or shoppers like and students who are regularly purchases online courses. It is very useful to everyone. No one knows how to get cash back. Everyone buy a mobile in Flipkart, directly go to Flipkart website and buy some products from Flipkart, but they don't give cashbacks to you. But Cashkaro app gives you some cashback, some gives you small amount to you. It's a very benefits to you. If you buy 1000 rupees product, the cashback will give 10%. It will comes you to 900 rupees. That's the process to save your money, and use these process to get benefits from cashback. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this video, give a like or give a comment below, and if you more enjoy this video, please subscribe my channel, getting more interesting knowledge based videos from us. Thank you.